Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's showtime, power hour, as Eric B said. I do apologize for being late. Hence, I'm not really late. I am, but I'm not, because I put in the chat I was going to be here in 5 minutes, and then I updated you as I was going. The reason for that is, the reason why I've gone a few minutes late today is because I've been very, very busy putting a lot of videos out today. And they're all out now. We've got one to premiere after the show. It's analysis for Rivian, so we're going to cover that tonight. We've just put Soundhound analysis out as well. So a lot going on, plus all the SMX videos and everything else, and Virgin Galactic 2 videos. The idea was I want to rank number one for all the stocks that we do, and it requires a bit of work to get that done, but never mind. We are on it like a car bonnet. Okay, now then, let's get ourselves ready to rock and roll. Let's go through all the comments. Seth, based on today's information and positive news, yes, indeed, it was a bullish sign. Black Cobra Gang, yes, it was a bullish sign today. You're completely wrong, Black Cobra Gang. It was a bullish sign because it was beating the market. That's the point. The point isn't, and the fact you're saying it's about a 5-cent push shows me you don't understand how the market works. The fact is the stock is beating, for the first time now in months, it's beating the market. That's the bullish news. That's what institutions look for. Not 5 cents, 10 cents, $5, $50. That is not it. It's the fact that, obviously you didn't watch the video, so there you go, and you can't really comment. But that's why, and thank you, Seth, for explaining that. Right. Anyway, so let's go through our positions. You can see we're having a red day. Everything's down again, but I'm not worried. I've been buying more and more of the S&P. I've now got a grand total of 10,000 worth of margin, nearly 11,000. I'm loading up on margin right now, buying the S&P on the way down. That's how you make your money. So that's what we're doing. We're loading up on the way down. Never, ever on the way up. Unless you're not, you've got cash and you're buying on the way up, that's fine. But what you don't do is use margin on the way up. That's daft. You do it on the way down. That's what it's for. Okay, so let's read the comments. Is it a good time to buy space right now? Now, let's go through our stocks and let's answer all your questions. I have to focus on the members' questions first. I think we should have a Martyn Lucas Investor song. Yeah. Well, our own song, you mean? The show song? We need a show song. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a great idea. I think we should do that as well. Right, the overall portfolio is down. I've been buying on the way down. Virgin Galactic is 94 cents. We did have a sign this morning and yesterday had beaten the market, which is the first time it's done that in a very long time. Of course, people took profits and it's going back down again. But it was a bullish sign for a moment. Bearing in mind, we are running a poll. At the moment. Should I buy 50,000 shares? I can do that. I could even buy 100,000 shares, but 50,000 shares. Should I do that? Should Andy Shovel? Andy Shovel could probably buy 500,000 shares. What about Mr. Ferrari, who we know? What about him? He could buy maybe 500,000 shares. So between me and our other two investors, just three of us, we could probably buy way over 1 million shares. What do you reckon? Shall we do it? We've got a poll running at the moment on our X account. We're waiting for a bullish sign to get back in. We've seen a bullish sign. We've got a poll running here. Let me see if I can find it. Here we go. Look, here's the poll. The poll is, should I buy 50,000 shares? Here we go. Look, this is the poll running right now. Should I buy 50,000 shares? Please vote in poll. Space, Virgin Galactic. Bullish sign at last. Now, if I buy and Michael Ferrari buys and Andy Shovel buys, we will have over 1 million shares easily. Okay? We'll have over 1 million shares. Will that make a difference? What do you think? Would it make a difference? Would it drive the stock up and then we don't sell? What do you think? Anyway, the poll is going 78.9% is saying, yeah, do it. Do it. So that's the poll running at the moment. Anyway, things can always change. It's a fluid situation. Right. Is it a good time to buy? So the answer to your question is, if you want to buy a stock which is less than half the value of the cash on the books, this is the time to buy. Why is nobody else buying? Well, I think the stock is turning bullish, even though it's down. We could be waiting for one almighty explosion because it won't take very much to move it now. We are now at a market cap of 414,000. Now we know we can move a stock now for 1 million. This is 400 million, all right? So we need to be 400 times the size of what we are today to be able to move Virgin Galactic. We have absolutely definitely moved SMX. No doubt about it. I'm now trending on YouTube. The stock went up when at the moment we put the video out, everyone followed, started buying it. Absolutely, we can. A stock under 1 million, we probably can, and we probably did, and we definitely did. All right, but can we control Virgin Galactic? No, we can't. However, 400 million market cap, 400 million. So we could buy 1 million, so 1/400th, if you like, of that. Would that move the stock? Sadly, probably not. But there you go. 1/400th. No, the answer is it won't. But we could buy $1 million worth. But anyway, that's something to think about, right? Analyzing it as we go. I'm in contact with these people all the time. So there's your answer. Rivian are one of the most popular cars on the road here. You will see hundreds per day compared to seeing thousands of Teslas. But Rivian is catching up with speed. Traquet, yes. Now then, we've got a special event tonight. We are trending for this as well. It's very exciting. We're trending for everything. I got inside a Rivian van. There I am, inside a Rivian van. Amazon came down the road. I got in the van. There it is. We've got analysis today. It premieres in 56 minutes. We want to rank for this today. We want everyone to watch the premiere at the end of today's show. There it is. It goes live in 56 minutes, and we're all going to be there at the end of today's show. All right. Palantir, down. Gold, down. S&P down. I'm buying more and more and more. I've just bought another two. Bought two at 462, two at 461, two at 459. 459. That's gone up now. So we're making money on some of these shares we're buying. Remember now, we're starting to get a bottom. So you're building up a base of lower price shares. So for me, it's worth it. For me, it's worth it, even using margin, because I can pay it off within a few months. Only if I bought up to maybe 20 grand. If I start buying 100 grand, it's going to take longer. The margins are going to cost me longer, but we are expecting rates to come down this year. I've been saying it. Now people are starting to agree with me that actually we are going to get a rate cut this year in September. I said the summer, June, July, August. Can I stretch September? No, the summer is June, July. So I'm about 2 months out, but I still believe it's happening. So I'm going to stand by my prediction. It's been there for 18 months. I'm not changing it. I think we should make a Martyn Lucas investor song. It's a good idea. I like the idea. We'll do it in an after hours in the extra channel. We could write it together. It goes to 72. It's Ramen. Price will never recover. Reverse split definitely will happen after flight. Crag doesn't like it. I'm glad I was able to work my way out of without losing. Otherwise, I would have to lost lots of money with Virgin Galactic. Ramen, buy 50,000 Virgin Galactic. Buy 50,000 S&P 500. It was also, but I have been buying Ramen. I've been buying Virgin. I've been buying S&P. Every time it dips, every time it goes down, I buy a new low. Keep doing it. I haven't sold any. I haven't sold a single share of the S&P. Not one. Not since January. I keep adding and adding and adding. Yes, because of the lot of other people will follow. A lot of other people will follow. Yes, because a lot of other people will follow. Crag, what if I buy 50,000? If I buy 50,000, I know that Martini Racer will buy probably 500,000. I know that. I know that Andy Shovel will buy 500,000. So there's over 1 million for a kickoff. Anyway. There's 400 million outstanding shares. That's correct. Buying space all at the same time. Price will create a strong support, says Patrick G. If Martyn buys 50,000 shares of space at this price, I'll feed 100 orphans for a month. Black Cobra Gang. Well, Black Cobra Gang, you're not a member of this channel. You're talking nonsense, and everybody knows that. All right. Come part of our family and stop talking nonsense. So I have some great ideas and designs for you, by the way. How about a die-cut vinyl sticker that says Lucas AIDS Army? Oh, I like that. I like that, Stacey Bailey. I like that. A sticker, Lucas AIDS Army. I like it. I like it, Stacey Bailey. Let me copy that. Lucas AIDS Army sticker. I like it. All right. Okay. Let me write that down. Lucas AIDS Army sticker. I like it. Right. Moving on down. I like it. There you go, Martyn. It's a buy. It's a buy. Think of the orphans. Indeed. If only he was being honest and genuine, and then maybe I would. Maybe I would. If he would actually do that and he was a real member and he would really do that, I would seriously consider it, because it's helping other people. And that's what I'm all about. If I can help other people, I'll do anything. However, we know he's just talking rubbish. Let's have a look. James Perry rates are cutting this year. I said, no doubt about it. No doubt about it. T-shirt or mug, ready for it. Lucas Army, investing in a world of change. Investing in a world of change. Get it? Change. T-shirt or mug, ready for the Lucasade Army. Ready for it. Ready for it, Lucasade Army, in a world of change. In a world of change. Get it? Change. No, I don't get it. I need you to explain it. Like the video, everyone. Thank you, Radiant Smile. Thank you. No, I'm bullish, Martyn. I'm saying it's Ramon's prediction. It won't. Oh, I see. I thought so. I thought you've changed your tune, but that's fine. Crag, I apologise. Martyn, if you bought 50,000 shares Virgin Galactic, I can guarantee you'll be having a lot of sleepless nights. That is true. Thanks, Radiant. I almost forgot. Is it worth reevaluating your thoughts on Lucid? Okay, we'll cover that in a second then. Lucid. Yeah, let me bring this up. Lucid. I've got something that Jose Quintana has sent me. Let me have a look. Did he send a private message? I can't remember now. Where did you send it? Oh, suggestions. Right. Oh, yeah. I want to share everybody this. Look at this. This is quite cool. We're ranking everywhere now. Even Weeble, right? SMX. Look, SMX, Pepsi, go. Danny, SMX, Picture Talk. Look at this. Fundamental analysis. Watch Martyn Lucas analysis on YouTube. I am now on Weeble. There you go. Look at that. It's come up. This was sent in by Eric B. Eric B, thank you for sending that in. That's really, really kind of you. Thank you so much indeed for that. What's the short interest on Virgin Galactic? Let's have a quick look. Short interest on Virgin Galactic. Let me have a quick look. SPCE, Virgin Galactic. We are now at 25% now. The short interest has gone through the roof. Eric Kearney will like this because he loves all this sort of stuff. Yeah. 25%. 25%. That's worth doing. In a minute, I'm gonna put that out as a video as well. Thank you for that radiant smile. How's it going on the party? Hi, how is going on the party? How is it going on the party? I'm not sure I understand the question. I bet Andy sold on the little jump up that he had. I doubt it. I don't think so. I know Andy, and I think he's buying. Stacey Bailey, how about Lucasades? That's what we got already, isn't it? Can you make it so we can buy your merch with Dogecoin? Yes. Yes, you can. Eric B, if you go onto the shop, see exactly what the total is, right, that you want to buy, okay? Tell me what the total is. Send me that amount of Dogecoin plus, oh, hang on, what was it we worked out yesterday? What was it? You can't make the shop do it, but I said I would do it. I would do it, but you have to add. I forget now what the number was, because what I will do is I will pay for the mug, and I will send it to you. So you pay me in Dogecoin. There's going to be a fee for it, because if the Dogecoin goes down, I end up out of pocket, and I've had to pay out more, and we are at all-time highs, right, or thereabouts. So there is a way to do it. You could say, okay, it's $10 to have it sent, tax, delivered, mail, whatever. So you send me, say, 10 plus 10%. Like a credit card fee if you want, and then I will buy it and send it to you. So yeah, you can. If you'd rather use your Doge rather than use your credit card, you can. I'm happy to do that. So if you want to do that, we'll talk about that. Anyway, did you check on the options? Did you check out the options? I'm not sure of the question, what you're asking me here. Stacey Bailey, good idea. Can it last till January of next year, the Delta shit, without a split? How long are they allowed to be under $1? Well, there's lots of conditions to it. It's not straightforward. It's very complicated. But they have to apply. They have to go to court. They have to do all sorts of paperwork. It can be dragged out for quite a while, but you have to do something. They can't just sit around doing nothing. Space Force, investing in a world of change like money. Investing in a world of change. Oh, I see. Investing in a world of change. Now that I get. I see. Yeah, always laugh at yourself. That's the way I do it. Investing in a world of change. I know that I like. That I like. Investing. I'm writing that down. Lucasade Army. Investing in a world of change. Like it. Are you panicking? I don't. Haven't sold anything from Fisker yet. Low seed. Good options. Silly pun. I like it. I like it. Short squeeze. Go Virgin to the moon. 75 more to go. You're the king here. You are the king. I'm not sure what's going on here. Lucasade's Space Force. Lucasade's Space Force. I like that as well. Lucasade's Space Force. I like it. Lucasade's. Right, I'm writing all these down. I'm holding Doge forever. Might be the next Bitcoin in 30 years. Volume Fisker 109. Keep the Doge, Eric. It hasn't reached all-time highs yet. Easily $1. Can you check B? Follow the white rabbit. Follow the white rabbit. Follow. You have to be a member for me to check out stocks. It's a member's perk. I have to focus on the members, I'm afraid. DX review, please. Elroy Ayres. Elroy Ayres, as a member, you can request a review. You have a couple of options. You can ask for a free review. However, the list is too long, so I'm not adding any more at the moment. The list has to go down before I add any more. I don't want people waiting any longer, so I'm not taking any more on the free list. If you want a review done and you want it to be done within the next couple of days, you can. It's called a super chat review. So you do a super chat review. At the moment, the top one is $5. If you bid more than $5, you will get your review done tomorrow morning. If you bid below $5, you'll be about fourth down the list, and you'll be done on Monday. So that's the most popular option. Or option 3, which only happened once, and it was yesterday. It's called a $100 super chat. It's called Play It Now. Play it now, Sam. You get the review and an extended review done immediately. It happens immediately and extended, a much, much more in-depth review. But that is $100. That was done for the first time yesterday. All right, Doge. Coin birthday is my Saturday. Dogecoin birthday is the Saturday. Could be a great gain, and the Bitcoin's halving. Absolutely. Keep calm and Lucasade on. Ooh. Keep calm and Lucasade on. I love all this. These are good. These are very, very good. I like it. I can see I'm going to be busy tonight. The white elephant, where is he? Who is he? I have no idea what's going on here. I already gave us a soap. Elroy Ayres. Hang on a minute. Have you already asked for this review? Hang on. DSX. Let me have a look. Sorry. Have you already asked for the review? Let me have a look. Let me look on the list. Bear with me. I apologize. HOFV, CLS, MPW, AMTX, Lithium, AK, EN, AJ, DSX. I keep getting confused. Are you Lolo? Elroy Ayres, I keep getting confused. Are you you have two accounts. A bit confusing. Are you Lolo as well? Because DSX is already requested. If that's you, it's already in. It'll happen on Monday now. So, yes, you don't need to super chat me again unless you want it done first on Monday. At the moment, you are second. So, behind Salty Biscuit. All right, just so you know. Anyway, that's absolutely fine. Boom, Vincent Vosberg. What's going on, family? Eat, sleep, Lucasade, repeat. Vaz, I like that one. If you do Space Force, you have to add lightsabers. Lucasade, keep calm. Let's have a look. Remember, you can super chat on the extra channel as well, and it will still be shown here on the main channel. So what was that? Include, what was that? Lightsabers. Lightsabers. I like all these ideas. Very creative. Got to create things, didn't you? That's what it's all about. Yes, okay, that is you. Yes, I apologise. I don't know that you know, it's hard for me, you changing your name. I'm trying to keep up with it. Martin, make a car sticker like baby on board. Just instead write Lucasades on board. That's a good one as well. That's a good one. Write that down. Okay. Right, no more suggestions. My list is too long. I can't do everything. No more suggestions. Right, Loud Work. What's the going rate to get my review to third place? Loud Work, let's have a look. Where's your review? Let me have a look. Oh, hello.
Vincent Vosberg donated $2 through a super chat. SMX over 0.20 by open. Let's go.
By the open, SMX, yeah, it's certainly going up. There's no doubt about that. We certainly have traction on YouTube, and it's growing. In the next few hours, it will grow. You'll find we'll rank #1 by tomorrow. I put 3 more SMX videos out today. Yes, 3. Loudwork. I'm just trying to see Loudwork a minute. Jenny, Seth, Celestica, JJ, Mr. Mankey, Enan, Darren Knight. Scalding Hot, Salty Biscuit, Low. Loudwork, I think your review was done. You're not on the list for any. What review's that, Loudwork? Scalding Hot, Envex, Darren Knight. You're not on the list. Which review's that? Do you mean the free one that you did a while ago? Verity, VRT. Is that the one? Verity. Yes, you're on the free list. I can't get to the free list at the moment because we're still doing the paid ones. To get on the list is $3. Anyway, if that's what you meant, you're not on the super chat list. Anyway, Lucas Trade Army. Oh, I like that one as well. Michael C bought more shares on Michael Cole Glazer bought more shares on Virgin Galactic April the 11th. Did he? Did we have verification of that? Oh yes, VRT. Yes, that's right. Yes, you're on the free list. Obviously, the channel is growing so much. I'm not taking away the free list, but as you can all appreciate, the free list hasn't happened for months. We just can't get to it. So people are super chatting. And that seems to be controllable right now. So I keep getting that list down. I keep doing that list. So yeah, $3, $5 will get you done first thing Monday morning. $3 will get you third in the queue. So anyway, all right. Vincent, you mean tomorrow then? What's that? Virgin Galactic. Is Michael Cole Glazer swing trading? I don't think he'd be doing that. I don't think they do that. Yes, Raman, I'm off. Okay, a little bit each day. It's about 20 cents. Then I'll buy it. A lot then. The value of SMX continue to increase. Yes, SMX is going up. I am James, saxophone, savant, Tyler James Perry. Pray for the billionaire sheiks in Dubai whose mansions have been flooded and vehicles disabled in 3 feet of water. Very, very sad situation, of course. Yes, I've seen that. Very, very bad situation. There you go. It doesn't matter how much money you've got, of course. If life is disrupted and difficult for you, it's unpleasant. Right. Now then, we've got 20 minutes to go. I've got lots of work to do. Now, I've got to, let me share with you, just refresh this, some videos you may have missed. And here they are. I say we, it's just me. I've just put out, bloody hell, I put out 8 videos, yeah. I put out 8 videos. Take the win. This is Fisker. We had a 500% profit. Those that bought in at 2 cents when we recommended it and sold it at 10, you had a 500% profit. I said, take the win. Let no one say that Martyn Lucas doesn't pump in the stock. 1, I'm not in it. You can't pump a stock and dump it if you're not in it. Number 1, as I'm not. Number 2, I'm telling people to take a profit. And actually, it cost me subscribers. When that video came out, it lost subscribers. People don't like when I say you should take profit. They only like when I say up, forever. The shorters don't like it when I say a stock's going up. They don't like me. When I say a stock's going up, the bullish people like me, but then they don't like me when I say sell. So I basically can't win. 1, I can't win financially because I'm not in the stock. And 2, the shorters don't like me when I promote a stock. And those that are in a stock don't like me either when I say you should sell it. That's just the way people are. I don't get it. It's just the way people are. 500% profit. I hope you took it. I'm not going to go back on that. I've just put out Rivian. Gene Ostis just subscribed. Thank you so much indeed. Rivian just put out a message here. an analysis on Rivian. This is now trending. We're going to trend on this, I think, by tomorrow. Difficult, it's a big stock, but I think we're going to. That comes out straight after today's show in half an hour. Join me for that one. Everyone together, please. SMX, wow, we did it. We did it. We absolutely did it. It started trending. This has just come out less than 2 hours ago, and we did it. And you'll know what I mean. Bullish. Now then, bullish not because it's up 5 cents, not because it's up 5 cents, because it's been beating the market first time in months. That's a good thing. And Michael Colglazier buying shares doesn't hurt either. SMXU, the little fellas made it onto the thumbnail today. You did it. This is another update on SMX. I've made 3 videos. Oh, hello.
Seth Houston donated $1.99 through a super chat. Hoff review before or after earnings, you decide. Heart.
Review before or right, okay. We've got a review. So HOFV. You have the review. You have the Seth Houston. You have the. You've already tipped me. Now that's beg your pardon. That's for Arbor Realty. Also HOFV on May the 13th. Yes, you already have that in. Now you want a review done. Okay, you want a review done. So let me write that down. $2. So that will go at the bottom of the list, but it's only bottom of 5, so that's okay. So HOFV. That's Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame, and that's Seth Houston, $2. All right, that's done. A review. Okay, before or after? I'll get onto it. So anyway, there's the SMX Soundhound. Now this was our biggest ever video. Soundhound. We had 10,000 views, and we've doubled in size since I made it. I believe that this could be a 20,000 view video. It will be double our biggest video. Lot of interest on this one. Analysis has just come out less than an hour ago, and there you go. There's the win for Virgin Galactic. I told you to take the win today. There was a decent swing there. We're covering Netflix earnings. I've just started promoting it. We're covering the earnings tomorrow. So all these 8 videos just come out. Hopefully you've seen all those, and you know what's going on. Right. Okay. Let me come back to the main channel. I asked, let's have a look. Ed, reasonable to say in my opinion, although I'm broke. Afternoon, Ed. Done that. We've got that done. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, Martin. Are you disappointed with XRP's performance relative to the overall crypto market? No, I don't pay any attention to it. It's all done through Sensei Crypto. Not concerned, not worried about it. Don't even think about it. I bought it at like 38 cents. I leave it, put it away. And no, I'm not concerned at all. And I let Sensei take care of the crypto. So I don't worry about that sort of stuff at all. I asked a review a month ago, but was free. And with the new information about the super chat reviews, I figure I do my part. Okay, fantastic. So I can now take that off the free list then. If it's on the free list, let me go down there and have a little look. Let's have a look. HOFV. Scrolling. Okay. Let me take it off the free list. Make the free list a bit shorter. Seth, you're saying you asked a month ago. I've done it for you. Hello?
Jose Quintana donated $20 through a super chat. Sin review please. I don't have to be first, but I'd like to be in the next round of reviews.
You will be. Let me just do this for Seth Houston. You asked a month ago for your HOFV. If it was a month ago, you've had it. This is how you find it. So here we go. I know I've done it. So you go search into YouTube, Martyn Lucas. Okay, Martyn Lucas, HOFV. You've had it. There it is. That was done 4 months ago. So did you see that one? Did you see that review? That was, it wasn't, it might be less than 4 months ago. It upgrades it if it's in between 3. That might be your one, because I don't think it was a month ago. Otherwise, it would be on the list now. So I'm going to give that to you. You may have seen that. I don't know. But anyway, there is a Hall of Fame analysis for you. That might be the one. I don't know. So Seth, here is your... Hey, Cherry, 6-month badge now. I know about the one 3 or 4 months ago. Oh, you do know about that. Okay. There hasn't been one since. No, there hasn't been one since. So anyway, it doesn't matter now. It's over. Fisker, look at this guy. It's all over. Well, it's not really, is it? It's not really. It's not the case, is it? Don't tell lies. All right. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Anyway, let me write that down. I'm going to lose my place if I'm not careful. Focus. Right, what just came in there? Jose Quintana. Sin review, please. I don't have to do sin. CYN. When you give me a stock review, ticker symbol and the business, please. Ticker symbol and the business, please. CYN. Jose Quintana. Whoops a daisy. Quintana. Okay, what is the name of the company? I'll just look for you, but if you can make it easier for me, when you give it to me, CYN. Is it this one? CYN. Is it... is this the stock? Syngent. Is that the name of it? I'm going to write that down until you say it isn't. All right, so I'm looking for you to confirm so I know that's the right one, if you wouldn't mind. Automotive driving software. If you can, please just confirm it's Syngent. You do like the penny stocks. Mike. Yay! Thank you, Mike. Mike Rawhide. That's Mike's job, by the way. He's not being nice. It's just his job. Right. He bought the profit back. A little extra. Definitely watched another day. So Michael, see his swing trading. No. Oh, wait. No, 140,000 bought the profit. Roll Tide. Did I miss it? I know that one. Good afternoon, everyone. Laura Rogers. Trump just said the stock market is going to crash worse than 1929. Okay. Laura Rogers. Donald Trump, and I am not for or against Donald Trump. I can't vote, not interested. I'm from England. I've only got a green card. I just want to point out a little fact about Donald Trump. Donald Trump, you're saying, says the stock market is going to crash worse than 1929. Donald Trump, 2 days ago, made a statement, and I shall put it here on the show so you can all see it. He made a statement from his official electoral party. They put this out. This was sent to Trump supporters. One of my friends received this, and I asked him to send it to me because I can't get anything like that because I'm not registered for voting. Right? Donald Trump said this. Just so you know, Donald Trump says the markets are going to crash like 1929. Donald Trump also said this. This is his words, not mine. When the war broke out in Israel, he said with Iran, 48 hours until America ceases to exist. Responsible behavior, at best, it's irresponsible, and it is ridiculous and not accurate. Donald Trump, this was from his electoral party office, sent out 48 hours until America ceases to exist. Well, guess what? We've passed 48 hours and we're all still here. Nothing happened. Just saying. So if Donald Trump says the markets are going to crash, it might be just as helpful as that statement. All right. So that's just, right. And again, I'm not for or against, but I am for the truth and I am for pointing out facts. And that is the fact. That's what he said. The world would come to an end. America would cease to exist. And nothing happened. He likes to make ridiculous statements, right? Okay. Hey, Ed, I got to say thanks, brother. I really appreciate your work. Matt Menner, that is the great work that goes on, of course, over there on the Discord channel. All the scalp trading, absolutely brilliant. I am always pro Virgin Galactic, but now I have to say that it looks really bad. Michael Colglazier bought 140,000 shares last week on April the 1st and sold 369 shares March the 25th. Let's remember, Radiant Smile, when Michael Colglazier sells shares, and I know it's not good, I do know it's not good. However, first of all, they didn't pay the price that we're paying. They got them for free. It's part of their wages. Understand that. They don't pay it. They don't buy it like you do. They get given it as part of their compensation, their work. Okay, number one. Number two, they are selling shares all the time. It's just part of their tax position, their accountants. These are very wealthy people, and these stocks are being traded all the time. It doesn't mean they love the stock, hate the stock, or anything in between. It actually means very little. All right. It doesn't mean hardly anything at all. So don't be concerned about it. It's not an issue. Of course, we prefer to see them buying, but you have to understand why they're buying and all the rest of it. So CIM, Sinjin, Jose Quintana, can you confirm that was correct? Laura Source, I've been predicting this too. If the market crashes, I'm going to have a field day. Yeah, I would love a little update on it. You can do it before the earnings or after. Okay, I'm on it. Sinjin, yes, CYN. That's what I had, right? That's what I had. CYN. CYN. Yep. Yep, that's what I have. Good. That's locked in for you, Jose Quintana. Should have waited to max out my IRA for 2024. No, don't worry about that. It doesn't matter. CGC, not sure what that means. I vote Sensei, do more than one crypto-focused show a week. At least two. I agree with you. I'll tell him you said that. You can also tell him yourself on Sunday, of course. He's back on Sunday. The market is absolutely going to crash 50% minimum. No, it's not. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. The market is not going to crash 50% minimum. That is absolutely ridiculous. The reason is because it's just started investing and I need you went on to say the reason is because I just started investing and I need the low entry points. All right, I need we all I don't even think it's worth buying Virgin Galactic anymore. You would rather wait 1 or 2 years. PLTR review, please. Matt Menner, let me see, is Matt Menner a member of our channel? Matt Menner. Scrolling. Where's Matt Menner? No, Matt, you're not a member of the channel. Unfortunately, you can't have a review unless you're a member of the channel. Unfortunately, it's only a couple of bucks, but there you go. I remember you were a real space bull, Raman. He has been saying it could from last year. So by the VIX, you also have to remember, I doubt Trump himself, if making these statements, it's his officials. I can't comment. I mean, if I've got people working for me and they're making statements on my behalf, then I don't hire people who don't make the statements I want. I mean, that's ridiculous. You can't turn around and say, I'm Donald Trump and I've employed you and you and you to publicize the things that I once said. And then they say what they like, which is different than what you want. And that's okay. No, it's not okay. You're responsible for the people that you hired. If you don't like what they're saying, tell them what to say. You're paying their wages. I mean, that's ridiculous. Anyway. Virgin Galactic may have a few profit-taking opportunities until Delta, but that's about it until January, in my opinion. Laura, you mean the Truth Social is crashing? Truth Social. I've got Truth Social. I've got Martyn Lucas and Martyn Lucas Investor, and I don't use it because all it is shouting at each other. No one follows. Everyone follows for follow. You follow 10 people, they just follow you back. It's pointless. Everyone's got a million friends, and everyone's got a million followers. It's completely pointless. Anyway, how low will space go? Richard Garcia. Well, it's now half of the cash on the books. It's one of the most undervalued stocks there is. Virgin Galactic. It's one of the most undervalued stocks there is. It's my job. That's right. That's right. AOL about the next flight at a minute. At minimum, Ed. Thank you, Matt. So you buy Virgin Galactic now, Martin. You go in 50, my 10. Every 48 hours is how often I short Trump's company, says Loud Work. Buy, sorry, that's okay, I understand. Delta's first flight after the testing period is up. That's what I'm counting on. Would you please tell me a bit about Stoke Therapeutic stock, if you don't mind? Vishal Malhotra, yes, I can do a full review for you, but you need to be a member of my channel. I have to focus on the members. This is the only channel on planet Earth that answers every single question from every single person. However, I have to focus on the members because I am not Superman. Anyway. CGC, I know it is. Yes, I'm aware of that. Rawhide, yep. Trump had some interesting statements regarding energy companies when he spoke in Southern California. Right, we've got all through the comments. We are up to date. So now it's time to get busy with the fizzy. Okay, so what's happening now? Let me have a quick look here. We've got 2 minutes to go for the bell. We've got a big event about to happen. Let me go through. We've got fear index now. Everyone's dumping the stocks. That's great. I'm buying on the way down. I want to ask Eric B. Is Eric B joining me buying the S&P on the way down? Are you doing such a thing? I've been buying it. I buy a couple every time it drops 1% or so. At the moment, I'll be ramping that up if it drops 5-10%. Anyway, space making a move, says Richard Garcia. 94 cents. Thursday night is when things move for Virgin Galactic typically. Let's see what happens. Now then, members on Discord. Anybody need to upgrade? No, we're all good there. Okay, the extra channel. It's getting some more upgrades this weekend. Like last weekend, a lot more things coming to the extra channel. Let's have a quick look at where we've moved today. 22,048. Fantastic. I'm expecting a big push after hours tonight. 45 seconds to go. We're up, just coming up to 17,000 views again. 20,000 by Friday is our record, and we're a Wednesday, and I'm thinking we're going to be there. We're going to be at 18,000 tonight, I think. Anyway, we shall see if I'm right. Let's have a look. Come back to there. I've got no time. The bell is about to go. We're about to ring the bell. It's day trader of the day. Let's do it. You ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You can sponsor the bell for $20. Put your name on it and get a link below in the chat. All right, but now we're going to go through and we're going to see who's up, who's down, what's up, what's going on. Are you ready? Okay, let's get ready. The overall portfolio is down. Virgin Galactic is rising in the after hours, up nearly 1% now. 72,000. 10,000 now on margin. I'm down 0.65, not as much as the markets, because of course, if we look at my portfolio, down 0.68, and if we look at the overall S&P, that's down today, 0.6. Hang on, it's the same. Hang on a minute, it should be slightly less because I've been buying the dip. Maybe it hasn't settled. I don't know. Anyway, ignore me. Let's go for all the positions. I'm down 0.68. Down 0.68%. Let's see who wins tonight. Here we go. Down by lots. 1.39. 1.62. Up. Stacey Bailey is going to win. I'm not the biggest loser today. Treke down at 7.9. John, I'm down 0.68. Stacey Bailey, she has never won the show before. I think she's going to win today. There's a chance she might win. We've got a few seconds left. Is Stacey Bailey going to win? I think it's a good time to contact Andy to see what the plan to do with Virgin Galactic. Well, we spoke to Andy a couple of days ago. I don't want to call Andy every other day, but we'll see. Virgin Galactic is undervalued and a rubbish stock, says Fight Channel. Down 225 at 7.25. Ed Spitzer, how are you? Hey Martin, what say you about Fisker? What say you about Fisker? I've just put out some important Fisker videos. Have you not seen them? They are here on the homepage. Go to the homepage, look in the videos. I've just put a couple Fisker videos out. Told everyone to take their profits, take the win. There it is. We had a 500% win if you bought at 2 cents and sold at 10. I told everyone what to do. It was all there for you. I hope you did it. More Fisker news here. People saying there's a death sentence. What do you think? Go and check out these videos. This one here is 100 times our most popular video. Fisker, a lot of attention right now. Right, it does look like I think Stacey Bailey is going to win. Portfolio up 28%. That can't be right. Raman, you're up 28%. That's just a joke, right? SMX up 11%. Fantastic. You've all made money on SMX. It keeps on going. There it is. I don't see how Raman can be up 28% today. On your overall portfolio, you might be up on one stock, but overall portfolio, half a dozen stocks or more, I don't think that's possible. Stacey Bailey, I'm going to give it to you. There you go. Stacey Bailey is a winner today. Thank you very much indeed, Stacey Bailey. First time ever. First time ever. First time ever. Stacey Bailey has won. I don't think Raman can be up 28%. That doesn't really add up, I'm afraid. Anyway, very, very nice indeed. Well done, Stacey Bailey, to you. Absolutely great. Let's have a look. Portfolio up 28%. Did you buy Space? Did I buy Space? No, not yet. That was in cents. The percent is up 12%. You're up 12%? How can you be up 1 cent and up 12%? You can't be up 1 cent if you're up 12%. I mean, you couldn't even measure that. What do you mean? You mean one stock is up 12 cents? I mean, that doesn't make any sense. You can't be up. Stacey, what's going on here? I've just given you the win here. You're making me look bad. That was in cents. The percentage 12%. I'm good. Just living life. Going to be working again. Liquidating my shop. Lovely to have you here, Ed. I'm glad you're well. Congratulations, Stacey Bailey. One of my stocks I have is Fisker. So guess what? One of my stocks. Congratulations. Good job, Raman. Congratulations, Stacey Bailey. Good job, Raman. Very good. All right, now then. Let's wrap up because I've got to get out. We've got lots of work to do still. So let me just check the notifications. Any messages from me or for me? First of all, Danaconda. liked my SMX. Did you like the little fellas? The way I built them into the SMX. Did you like that? Did you notice I did that? All done by hand, by the way. I don't use any AI. Just do it myself. It's in the game. Oh, here comes the bad stuff. Don't listen. Do not listen him. Not very good grammar. Do not listen him. He said not to buy at 160. Right. Okay. So first of all, do not listen him is bad grammar. He said not to buy at 160. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I wasn't even covering the stock at 160. Absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I was covering it at 15 cents. So this person here talks absolute flipping nonsense. So obviously I have to reply back. That is complete nonsense. I just shared your comment with the world. Yeah. People just say the most ridiculous things live. There you go. If you're going to say something that's true, great. If you're going to lie and talk silly, then I'm going to come on and show the world that you talk silly. All right, you're not going to get away with it. Unbelievable. He sold to set. He said to sell at 160. Wasn't even talking about the stock. Anyway, there you go. There you go. What else have we got? Any here? Rivian, strong buy. When does that go live? How long have we got? We've got 7 minutes. Right. What we're going to do is this show now. Where are we? How many people we got watching here now? 64. Right. What we're going to do is introduce you all, in case you don't know, about the 12-hour stream. We're live 12 hours a day. It is a members-only channel. It's so we get great conversation, no bots, no scammers, and no people like that talking rubbish on stock twits. Good people, helpful people, supportive people, investors, intelligent people that make money and know what they're doing. It's a members-only channel. But what we're going to do now is introduce you there if you'd like to be part of the Lucasade behind-the-scenes family. If not, that's fine. So what we're going to do is we've got a premiere starting in just 7 minutes' time. So I'm going to send you right now to the extra channel. Let me do that right now. Redirect to the extra channel so you can see what it's like for yourself. You can become a member for 99 cents. That's all it costs to be a member of this channel, 99 cents. If that's good for you, then that's great. If not, there you go. I'll give you the link for it. And if we carry on growing like this, we'll have an extra channel on Rumble as well. People seem to be growing over there as well now. So my Rumble audience, I know you're watching me now. I'll just give you the link for the YouTube version, but we will have, hopefully one day, a Rumble version. Not at the moment. It's not viable. It would cost me too much to do it because I have to pay for extra subscriptions to be able to multi-stream. Right now, it'd be unviable, but we shall see. Okay. Let's have a look. I don't know what it is I said overall. Maybe I typed it wrong. You have no idea. It was green. Sorry, I have no idea. Not you. Oops. I am a liar. I never did it before and didn't realize I was on the SMX screen. Ha ha. See what happens when you're rushed? Didn't win. Overall, I was down. There you go. So I win. I knew it. I knew you couldn't be up like 12 cents and it didn't make any sense. Anyway, that's okay. By the way, I mean in total, not just for today alone. You won, Martin, I think. Yeah, I did. I won, and I didn't even get a round of applause. So I'm giving it to myself. Yeah. It's day trader of the day. Day, because you mean I didn't trade, you mean? Is that what you're saying? Or else I'd lose every day. The stock market has been hard work this week. I'm down % today. Lots of beans on toast for dinner tonight. Ed Nevius, just want to give a shout out to all that are keeping the tips channel flowing. And congratulations all. Absolutely great. Yes, just want to thank a shout out giving the tips channel going. It's Ed Nevis's tips. Absolutely incredible. The love and support that goes on over there is absolutely brilliant on Discord. Right, thanks Ed, you're the best. People love it. People love what you're doing over there, Ed. It's very, very popular. Right, okay, I've got to go because this premiere is about to start and I want to give everyone the chance to quickly get into the extra channel to check it out. Then I will give you all the links to come and see this. This is, I want to keep the chat going. I want to rank for Rivian. I want everyone to join me for the Rivian premiere, which is in 3 minutes. So I've got to get out of here really quick. Let's get everyone in the extra channel and then I'll give you the link. If you want to subscribe to the extra channel, you can. You become a member for 99 cents if you want, and then we bring everybody into the Rivian earnings. I'll see you back in the morning. It's picking up speed. I like all these dips. I'm loving it. We are going to get a rate cut now in September. Apparently, I still think earlier, but that's what people are pricing in. So we're all good. Everything's good. It's just an opportunity to buy the dips. So let's go over there right now. Take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye for now.